In the quiet town of Zahra, nestled between rolling hills and ancient mosques, a sense of anticipation hung in the air as the month of Ramadan approached. As the crescent moon announced the beginning of this sacred period, the town transformed into a tapestry of tradition, unity, and moonlit. Blessings. At the heart of Zahra stood the centuries-old Sultan Mosque, its minarets reaching towards the heavens. As the call to prayer echoed through the narrow streets, families gathered for the evening iftar, breaking their fast together. Among them was young Amina, a spirited girl with a heart full of curiosity and wonder. One evening, as the town was bathed in the soft glow of the moon, Amina's mother, Amira, invited her on a special Ramadan journey with a lantern in hand. They ventured into the narrow alleys, their footsteps guided by the gentle rhythm of prayer. Amira shared stories of generations past, weaving tales of resilience, faith, and the transformative power of Ramadan. Their journey led them to the town's oldest storyteller, a wise elder named Hassan. Seated beneath an ancient olive tree, he began to recount a fabled tale of a moonlit blessing that had graced Zahra centuries ago. According to legend, during a particularly challenging Ramadan, the town was bestowed with a celestial gift, a beam of moonlight that bestowed blessings upon those who walked beneath it. Intrigued by the story, Amina and Amira decided to seek out this mystical moonlit blessing. With each passing night, they explored different corners of Zahra, guided by the stories of the past. As they traversed the labyrinthine streets, they discovered hidden gardens, secret courtyards, and forgotten corners where the moonlight danced on ancient stones. Their journey became a communal quest, with families joining together to uncover the town's hidden gems. Each moonlit night brought a new revelation, a shared moment of reflection, and a sense of unity that transcended generations. Zahra became a canvas of whispered prayers and laughter under the ethereal glow of the moon. As the final days of Ramadan approached, Amina and Amira stood beneath the ancient olive tree, where Hassan revealed the legend's climax. The moonlit blessing he shared was not a physical gift, but a manifestation of the town's collective spirit, the unity, compassion, and faith that flourished during this sacred month. The realization dawned on Amina and Amira that the true blessing of Ramadan was not just found in the celestial radiance above, but in the hearts of the people who came together to seek it. With tears of gratitude and joy, they embraced, feeling the warmth of a moonlit blessing that transcended time and space. As the crescent moon bid farewell to Ramadan, Zahra became a living testament to the transformative power of unity and the enduring magic of moonlit blessings. The tales of that sacred journey echoed through generations, eternally woven into the fabric of the town's rich history. The moral of this story is that the real essence of blessings in life is found in the collective spirit of unity, compassion, and faith shared among a community, transcending the material to create enduring moments of joy and reflection.